Welcome. In today's video demonstration, we'll discuss APA PsycTherapy, what it is, how to find a video, and how to use video tools on the platform. APA PsycTherapy is APA's streaming collection of candid, unscripted videos of psychotherapy sessions. On August 13, 2020, APA PsycTherapy migrated to a new platform hosted by Cadmore Media. This site was designed with accessibility in mind and incorporates several new or improved features. The APA PsycTherapy homepage contains a search bar, 4 browse by menus, and featured content. Let's say you want to watch a psychotherapy session for a client with depression. To begin looking for these videos, type depression in the search bar. This gives us a lot of results. You can open the advanced search tool to find more specific results. Maybe you are looking for a female therapist and a client who is Black and a young adult. Add these limits and select Search to see your new list of results. Let's watch the video titled Culturally Informed Psychoanalysis with a Black Male Client. Every APA PsycTherapy record includes a video player, transcript, and detailed description, all in a single view. The description includes approach definitions, the therapist biography, and topic definitions. Select any of these if you want to run a new search. Video controls include rewind or fast forward by 30 seconds, captions, playback speed, volume, and full screen with or without the transcript. Newer videos, as well as some of the more frequently viewed older videos, have been broken up into segments, that is, meaningful portions or chapters. For the next APA PsycTherapy tools in our demo, clips, favorites, and lists, you'll be prompted to log into or create an individual profile. If you want to save a specific part of a video, use the Create Clip tool to specify the start time and the end time. Give your clip a name and a description, and add it to your individual profile. Use the star icon to add a video, therapist, approach, or topic as a favorite. Use the bullet list icon to create a new list. You'll be prompted to give your list a name. Within My Profile, you can view your favorites, lists, and clips. Both clips and favorites can be added to a list. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tricks for using APA PsycTherapy and other databases, please see the rest of our YouTube channel.